Welcome back, vloggers. It's been a while. Come join us on our trip to Alberta to visit my best friend.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Saint Say here, back with another vlog. We are going on another adventure, just me and Morgan this time. We're about to leave from Hamilton Airport, head out to Alberta, and to go visit Cass, as Morgan said. So I will catch you on probably the time lapse when we get on the airplane. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the time lapses from the flight. Luckily it was a good flight, not a lot of turbulence. We are currently at Cass's house / apartment. She's still stuck at school, so we've yet to link up with her. Hopefully we will see her shortly, but we're gonna buy some time and maybe head over to the West Edmonton Mall. There's a lot of attractions there, like water parks and roller coasters, so it'd be cool to check it out. It's supposed to be the #1 mall in Canada, so hopefully I can get a few good clips from that. Choo-choo! Yeah, some fresh air finally.
So now we just gonna stay as small as the children's playground. This is the adult playground.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those clips at the West Edmonton Mall. It was definitely a really cool place to check out. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring the GoPro, so I had to record all that on my phone. They should be some good clips, but I'm not too sure until I actually edit it. We're just back at Cass's house, just hanging out. The girls are taking a nap. We have still yet to see Cass. She was stuck at school, and now she is at hockey, so we're kind of just hanging out waiting for her. I did buy a few things while I was there. I bought this hat and then a couple of joggers, so it was a little bit of a successful trip. Not too sure what is next. We'll probably go get some dinner once Cass is back and then see what the rest of the night brings us. Tomorrow I think we're gonna get up bright and early and head over to Jasper, kind of give us something to do during the day, because we realize there's not too much to actually do in Edmonton. But I'm sure we'll figure it out as we go, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the day one, and we'll see you later. Day 2. It is currently 6:05 a.m. Me, Kayla, and Morgan are about to hike over to Jasper and check that out, since we really got nothing else to do. So we're currently going to take Cass's car and we're going to go on a little adventure. hopefully you guys enjoy today. We have made it to Jasper National Park. We're at our first stop currently at a canyon, so I'll give you a couple views of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the mountains coming in. They're definitely beautiful to look at. So we'll tour around here. There's a couple waterfall lakes as well. We're gonna see obviously the mountains, and then obviously the town we'll go visit. So there'll be plenty to do today. We are currently at our last stop of the Jasper adventure. What you guys just saw there was Lake Pyramid, beautiful place. We are currently at a waterfall, so we're gonna check that out, and then we'll be on our nice 4-hour adventure home. So far it's been really good. Great place to adventure. Yeah, where's your water bottle?
Forgot it.
How has the adventure been?
It's been good. A little chilly. It was questionable there for a minute with the winter snow there, but almost got the road closed on us. Now we're here. That's all that matters.
Oh yeah. Haven't seen a bear yet though.
No bears?
No bears.
Or a wolf.
We've seen a couple sightings.
We've been waiting for the
Elk,
wolf.
Some
deer,
elk, deer.
crows.
It hasn't been too bad. Nice
Looks
little
like we're
waterfall.
actually salmon though.
There you go.
Don't speak too soon.
You
or
can
I'll
jump
sing
in the
a bear.
water and you can be the salmon. That's what we'll strap you to the roof with.
Hey.
Some salmon. You're getting wet.
Yum.
It's all fucking delicious.
It's actually pretty good.
Some fresh water. Can't go wrong there.
I
Nice
prefer-
glacier.
Sorry.
So bad for the environment, man. You fresh glacier runoff and you want bottled?
That's what they do. You realize your bottled water, they stick
Is
them in
this?
this and just fucking...
Yes, yeah, yada yada yada.
She likes the plastic. All right. I think that sums it up.
Some pics. Here.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the falls. The fresh water was beautiful. All the glacier runoff tasted awesome as well. Nothing like some fresh water. We're gonna head our way back to Edmonton. We just finished up here in Jasper. I think we hit everything we wanted to other than the gondola, which it started to get a little foggy at the end, which that's okay. I think we got majority of the day worth. So we're gonna head back. Cass has a hockey game at 7, so we're gonna go check that out. Hopefully I can get some of that. And then we'll go out for dinner like we did last night. So I'm not too sure how much I'm gonna vlog after this. This is probably gonna be a long one, or I'm gonna cut it into 2 parts. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this little adventure. We may be heading over to Calgary tomorrow. So if we do, stay tuned for that, and we'll see you later. We've officially touched down back in Hamilton. So this will conclude our trip. Unfortunately, I didn't vlog too much on Saturday and Sunday, just because we didn't do too much.
Hey,
But we didn't.
we had fun.
We did have fun. It was a good trip. Definitely more to come. We will be leaving for Europe in
14 days.
14 days. So there will be plenty of vlogs to come. I'm going to try to pound out at least 1 or 2 or 1 every other day, depending how long they are. Maybe we'll do 2 every stop.
Maybe we'll leave you with some travel tips too.
We never know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know we enjoyed it a lot. Definitely a cool adventure. Definitely have to go back there sometime. I definitely want to check out Banff at some
And
point.
Cass is always there, so.
That too. Hopefully she comes and visit us soon. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you do drop a like and subscribe. There's plenty more to come. We will, like I said, have a vlog almost every other day coming in a month. So there will be plenty of content. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a good one.